And Dr. Chang says the Security Ministry will be scrapping the policy to buy used cars for the police. The decision comes in the wake of the failed deal with O'Brien's International Car Sales and Rental, under which it was to supply 200 used cars for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Dr. Chang says the government is going back to the policy of acquiring new vehicles for the police.
But not only new vehicles, we're looking at a system of refleeting the police and, in fact, how to maintain them.
Because right, so the used car thing was a dud.
Yeah, an attempt was made to fix the problem in the short term because the police was badly depleted in terms of motor vehicles, and it was sought to use used cars quickly. You know, it hasn't worked out as it should, but we are looking at the state of getting new vehicles, and we are looking, in fact, within a short time to look at specific police vehicles. Police vehicles are purpose-built.
The contract issued to O'Brien's to provide 200 used vehicles to the force was terminated by the National Security Ministry earlier this year. CTOC was called in to investigate the company for fraud after it failed to provide most of the vehicles.